Let's see. All right, Lamont, the owner of the e-commerce site, buys swing sets for $310 and then sells them on his site for $930. What is the markup as a percentage? All right, so we are marking up, which means we want to draw our arrow showing that our price is going up, correct? All right, hold the paper for me. Perfect. We are going to mark the price up, and this is to keep him in business, right? He's going from $310, which is 100% of what he buys it at, and he's going up to $930. He's really jacking the price on these, isn't he? So we're going a large amount. This is an increase. So now what we want to do is we want to put $310 into our table here. And I noticed right away, I got to build $930. I'm going to start with some building blocks of 100%, right? How many 100% do we need in order to add to 310 what we already have to get 930?
3.
Oh, jeepers, let's see. 300, let's say 100% is $310. Another 100% is $310. That together would be $620, right?
Yeah.
Which is 200%. If we added another 310, wouldn't that be 930?
Yeah.
So I want to increase this by $620, which we just built, which is what percentage markup?
300%.
Is it 300%? It's a 200% markup, and it gets us to 300% at the end, right? But it's a 200% markup, and I think that's what they ask for. What is, right here, what is the markup as a percentage? So what are we going to put down in there? What is the actual markup percentage going to be?
200%.
200%.